In today's video, Lucy and I finally launched the Wanderer's food truck in 99 nights in the forest. We built this beast from scratch, and the kitchen setup is just chef's kiss. We've handpicked the best dishes for our menu: cookies, BBQ ribs, stew, steak dinners, smoked turkey legs, and fresh daily juice. Best part, we've got a chill seating area for you to dig in right away. Let's see how we built it. Let's go, go, go. Yo, let's build the most legendary food truck ever, loaded with tasty eats for the whole squad. Chef Lucy, let's go! I need some kiddos to help with the orders and serving. Let's bounce! Lucy. Wait, where the heck is the last wolf? Found you. You're actually pretty bad at hide and seek. That's right, a food truck needs fuel to keep going. Yo, why do you keep getting stuck right here, Dino? Alright, Kraken Kid is up next. Let's roll, Lucy. Oh yeah, these two kiddos just dropped to cracked items back to back for me. It's time to buff my own money now, hee hee.
He's in my money!
I'm going to spend all the diamonds I've collected, every last one. Haha, I'm literally left with 5 gems, so tragic. Dang, a red chest offering, that's absolutely cracked. No way! How did the shifty salesman know we're running a food truck and drop a Thanksgiving event on us? That's actually wild, no cap. Same old habit. I'm just here to grab some free furniture. Amazing! Oh my god, Lucy's down again already? I'm literally so done with this. Might as well rescue Squid Kid too, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Let's go! Knock, knock, knock. Did a dog bite you, Lucy? Follow my lead, Lucy. I just hit the jackpot for real. This is straight up perfect for the upcoming battle. Stop chasing me, you bad doggo. Hey, keep it fair and square, brothers. Wait a second, I need to go shopping for the Wanderer's food truck first. There's Lucy. Yo, Lucy, let's hit the stronghold. Chop chop. So lucky, I didn't get any junk items. Haha. Okay, I just need these for kids to help me sell food, and that's enough. Let's go, Lucy. A kunai! This is great! Oh gosh, why do these kiddos love pitching tents all over the place like this? It's a mess. Let's go hunt some jungle mammoths in the jungle biome, Chef Lucy. But I'll still take the opportunity to grab the crystal skull key. There's a herd of jungle mammoths. The ribs and steak are definitely going to be high quality today. The meat is straight up fresh. Woohoo! Wait, is the Thanksgiving party happening today? I totally blanked on that. For real. Let's head back to the jungle biome, everyone. No way! The poison claws didn't drop. I'm so gutted right now. Let's keep shopping. I'm very rich at the moment. Alright, let's start building the Wanderer's food truck right now. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. First off, I'm gonna craft the food truck since it's the star of the show, right? Next is the body of the truck. Let's complete the flooring of the truck now. Now, let's build the front of the truck. I can't drive around the world without it. Let's put the kitchen shelves inside the truck, everyone. Next are the 2 cooking pots. Geez, they're back to mess with us again, Lucy. I'm going to take every single one of these 10 diamonds. We've even got outdoor seating for our guests. It's a total vibe. Stay away from my food truck. Sorry folks, we're not open for business yet, so please head on home for now. Alright, let's get back to the rib and steak grind, Lucy. Lead it down to the fighting pit, Lucy. Dang, why is it a pack of wild boars? I wasn't expecting this. Oh my, we have lost a certain amount of state. Lucy. Let's head back to the base now. Let's continue finishing the food truck. Let's change the color of the fence. This color looks so bad. Looks like my guests are losing their patience, but it is what it is. They're just gonna have to wait. Great, we have more dining tables for our customers now. Oh my god, the Wanderer's food truck is finally done, but hold up, we're still low on ingredients. So let's get to grinding and gather them all. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Awesome, it's a turkey coop. Here are the ingredients. Chef Lucy, let's get cooking. Wait a minute, we don't have an oven. This is serious because it is a mandatory kitchen tool. Here it is, yeah, we finally found it. Let me bring the juice to the tables, Lucy. So the Wanderer's food truck is officially open for business. Guys, let me show you around the kitchen. It's a total vibe. The kitchen is huge. Guys, here's the order counter. Once the food is ready, Chef Lucy puts it on the rack for me to serve. We've got cookies, BBQ ribs, stew, steak dinners, and smoked turkey legs on the menu. Over here are the 2 cooking pots and the cash register. Get into your position, Chef Lucy. Today, I will be the supreme manager, and the 4 children will be the servers under my command. We've got an order for a steak dinner. Get it moving, Chef Lucy. Let's go. Wow, Chef Lucy finished the dish so fast. A professional chef indeed. Oh, I wouldn't dare let Lucy drive the truck. Don't worry about seating when you come here, because there are plenty of seats. The kids have also become more skilled at serving now. Let's see the panoramic view of Wanderer's food truck. That's great. We have a group of customers coming to eat tonight. Chef Lucy. What the is a meteorite falling now? These customers probably came here to watch the meteor shower. That's the end of my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.